I didn't get too much sleep last night. I woke up at about 3 a.m. I don't know why, but I haven't been able to get back to sleep. And it's about 6. I wanted to get a couple more hours in before I go for a little drive. Can't drive very far though. I don't have much money. But yeah, I was hanging out here in Ocean Shores. I originally was gonna get the physical done. I was kind of expecting to fail like my blood pressure or something. But that's fine. My blood pressure, heart rate are perfectly healthy. No, instead what I fail is my hearing. I can't hear as well. I can hear regular conversations and stuff. It's just maybe like whisper level. Like there's that whisper test where they didn't perform it. They just went right to the machine. But there's a whisper test where they'll whisper 5 feet from your ears, and you cover one ear, and then they whisper. They'll say like 63 or 27, and then I'll have to like repeat it or something. And I cover the other ear, and then do both ears, whispering 5 feet away. But that wasn't done, and I mean, maybe the doctor didn't realize, but it's like if he's like qualified to do the Department of Transportation tests, he should be pretty aware of that. You know, he just kind of used his discretion or something not to use them, because I mentioned, wearing hearing aids, and I made a video where I even said it, and he did not respond to the use of hearing aids. But if you look at the wording for the test, it said you could wear hearing aids, but that means if you use a hearing aid, you need to wear it at all times driving truck. But either way, it's too late. I can't get. Today's the day. Today's the deadline for turning in all the paperwork to start that class, to get that grant and stuff. But I don't know, I'm kind of turned off of all the driving jobs now. If I can't pass the hearing test, and I mean, I blame it on my foolishness with podcasting and listening to music and stuff. But yeah, while I was here in Ocean Shores, I messed around with like the gig walk. They had 2 gig walk gigs for Bing, where they wanted me to use the Panorama Microsoft Photosynth, and take pictures of inside of 2 buildings. One was Shiloh's Inn, and the other was Emily's at this Quinault Casino. Bing gave me a little trouble with the Emily's. I was having difficulty trying to get the picture. I was under a little stress because they didn't want me taking any photos of the customers, and then I took a real quick shot and sent it, and Bing said it's no good. So then I go back, and then I start getting told that they'll call security on me. But I got the shot. It's in my account with Photosynth. Yeah, but that was not easy. And these are $5 each, so it's only $10. I guess you could say it pays for gas to get out here. The lost time from real work doesn't really make up for it. But yeah, I haven't been doing too much. It's just messing around.